And welcome back, Math Wizards of Virtual Room 502. Time for more Mr. Leggett's Eureka Math in the morning with friends. Time for the concept development. It's where you get to develop concepts. And we think back to our objective about using the associative property to determine two rectangles pushed together. Well, that's what we're going to continue doing. So let's start off, and you are indeed, you know what I'm going to write. You are indeed copycats. I'm so sad I lost my stamp. Yeah, copycats. So use your whiteboard and marker or scratchboard and paper. And the first thing we're going to do is the following. We're going to make a rectangle. And this rectangle is 3 units by 12. Okay? So let's think about this. How can we figure this out? I know we've done this before with the application problem, but let's think about it a little harder, okay? So I have my 3. Let's break down that 12. So it's going to become 3 times 6 times 2. Because 6 times 2 equals 12, right? So we have 3 times 6 times 2. All right? So now we can figure out, okay, well, what can I do here? I know 3 times 2 is 6, right? We proved that the last time. So let's go ahead and make a parenthesis, shift them kind of over like this and that. And we're going to make a 3 times 2 times 6, okay? 3 times 6 times 2 to 3 times 2 times 6. And we all know 3 times 2 is 6, right? So we're left with 6 times 6. So 3 times 6 times 2 equals 3 times 2, see? Times 6, and that equals 6 times 6. This is the associative property. So you have 6 times 6, so let's go ahead and tackle that. We can skip count. We can go, maybe one of my favorite strategies is this. So 6 times 6 equals 6 times 5 plus 6. See what I mean? 6 times 5 plus 1 more 6 would be 6 times 6. So 6 times 5, many people can tell us it is 30. And 30 plus 6 would equal 36. So I believe this would be 36. Don't believe me? Let's give it a try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then we go over 3, 1, 2, and 3. Let's pretend they're all perfect, nice, and neat squares. So how many do we have here? Well, we can count by threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, right? Or we can count by 12s, 12, 24, 36. There's definitely 36 here. We can count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So you see how this all works. I hope you do. We could also break it up differently. Let's might as well have a little fun with this. Let's say if we were to cross out this 12 and make this 10 and make this 2, okay? So I'm going to make my 2 in orange and my 3 times 10 in blue. Just another way to figure this out easily and quickly. So I know 3 times 10 is 30, right? Whoops, hold on. So this would be 30 square feet, and this would be 3 times 2 is 6, and that would get us to 36 square feet. A couple of different approaches, and I think that's kind of cool. So let's take a look at one more, and you're going to do this one on your own. What? Yes, do it on your own. You can do it. Oh, let me get my piece of scratch paper out, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, you know what? I'm going to use a whiteboard marker for this one instead of my usual scratch paper. I think that would be kind of a nice. What? You use whiteboard marker? Yes, Princess Yvonne, we're going to use the whiteboard marker. And just like your students? Yes, just like my students. Oh, this should be interesting. You don't think I can do it? You're so used to working with scratch paper and pen. I don't know if you can. Well, stick around, Princess Yvonne. Maybe I'll be able to do it. Oh, I don't think so. You don't? No. Okay, well, just wait and see. Okay. Princess Yvonne has very little faith in me. So this is when you're going to give it a shot on your own. Are you ready? Here we go. Here we go. 4 this way. And this is 12. And it's just units, no centimeters, meters, it's just square units. So think about how you can figure this out. Maybe you'll break this into 10 plus 2 or 6 plus 6. So go ahead and freeze and do your best to figure this one out. And welcome back. What strategy did you use? I'm curious to know. Well, let's see what I would use. I think I would do this, okay? I think I would erase that 12. And if you did it another way, that's fine. And do 10 and 2, okay? That way I could do 4 times 10 plus 4 times 2. And that could be a pretty easy way to figure this all out. So let's go ahead and do 4 times 10, 40, plus 4 times 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 40 plus 8. And what would that equal? That would equal 48. Is it 48? Let's figure it out. We'll do 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then we'll do 4 this way. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and I could also shade the 2 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know 4 times 10 is 40, and 4 times 2 now is 8. So it would be what? 48 square units. And that, ladies and gentlemen, concludes our concept development. Come on back to the 4th grade class and see what we're up to. Maybe learn a little 4th grade math. And we'll be breaking into the Hollywood Stars today. That's our math group. So, take a small little break, use the restroom, grab a snack, tell mom and dad you love them, feed the dog, pet the cat, check on baby brother or sister, and come on back to class.